Good morning, Skyview. Oh my goodness, you guys are still sleeping. I said good morning, Skyview. I'm looking for good morning, not screaming. Okay. I want to thank the parents and the grandparents and the neighbors and the friends for coming to join us today. This is my favorite day, the day that we get to celebrate and recognize students who are doing an excellent job, both academically, socially, and as citizens. So we're very proud of them. Their teachers are doing a great job with them, and thank you so much for supporting them as parents and grandparents and neighbors.
Carly, look.
Relatives. I'm going to start by calling up the 5th grade teachers, and I just want to remind you that as Student of the Month, there are certain prizes you get. You get the real cool Student of the Month pencil, which I think is really neat.
Carly.
And then you get the Star Ring Pop, which also is kind of cool. And then you get the famous thing that your parents always want. What's that? The bumper sticker that says Skyview Student of the Month that they get to put on their car and celebrate all the great things that their kids do. So remember that you're going to get those after you go through the tunnel for the second time.